Good morning class 7 students. Today we are going to start the second chapter of geography and the name of the chapter is Inside Our Earth. The Earth, as you know, the Earth is our homeland in a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoes changes inside and outside. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the Earth? What is the Earth made up of? Students, Earth is a homeland. Earth is the only planet where human beings can survive. It is a dynamic planet also. So inside the Earth, different changes keep on going on, and outside also. But today in this chapter we are going to read that what lies in the interior of the Earth. Interior means inside the Earth, and what does that made up of? What that material made up of? So today we are going to read about the interior of the Earth. In this diagram you can see which is given on page number 7 and figure 2.1, interior of the Earth. This is the Earth and they are showing us the interior of the Earth. So let's start. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concrete layers. There are different layers. These are the concrete layers, one inside the another. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called the crust. The uppermost layer, you can see the topmost layer of the Earth is the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. This crust is the thinnest of all the layers, and it's about 35 kilometers of the continental masses and only 5 kilometers from the ocean floor. These are the features of the crust. It is the topmost layer and it is 5 kilometers from the ocean floor. Class, the main minerals constitutes of continental masses are the silica and alumina. It is all thus called a SAIL. S-A-I-L. S-I-L is silica, S-I for silica and A-L is for the alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica. See, these layers have been given. The topmost layer is the crust, then the lithosphere, then we have the mantle there. This layer is this part is mantle, the core mantle boundaries. This is the inner part is the outer core, and the next one, last one is the inner core of the Earth. They are made up of silica and alumina, the total known as the SAIL. S-A-I-L. S-I is for silica and A-L is for the alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called sigma. S-I-M-A. Sigma. S-I is for silica and M-A is for magnesium. Just beneath the crust is the mantle. Beneath means down. The crust is the mantle, which extended to the deepest of 2,900 kilometers, which is around 2,900 kilometers below the crust. It is below the crust. Mantle is below the crust. The innermost layer of the core, with a radius of about 3,500 kilometers, it is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called NiFe. N-I-F-E. N-I for nickel, nickel or Fe is for phosphorus, means iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. See, this is the core layer, the inner core, which is made up of NiFe, phosphorus and Fe. Thank you class.